Okay. So, in the last one, the power quotient law, it pertains to the use of the power quotient law. So, only the concept here is simplify first the exponent. Okay, simplify first the exponent, then divide the base. For example, A over B times M. So, kanyang taas, no? That's your base, that is your exponent. And letter B, x squared divided by 2y times to the cube power. So, pansinin natin na, as is, sabi nga sa rules, simplify first the exponent, no? Simplify mo muna, then divide the base if needed, no? Or this scenario, letter A, ano ang solution natin? That is, A raised to M over B raised to M. So, that is your final answer. Why? Because you distributed the exponent M to the base of M. That is A raised to M. So, simply means same lang din ito dito sa B, sa denominator mo. Okay, another example. X squared times 3, no? Over 2 to the third power and y to the third power. Why? Because we simply means allocated using the distributive property of multiplication. So, simply means kapag minultiply mo yan, both sides dapat magkakaroon siya. Lalo kapag 2y yan. Di ba? So, sige. Try natin, no? So, x raised to 6 power divided by 2 raised to 3. O ano yan? 2 times 2 times 2, di ba? So, that is 8, no? 8y cubed. Okay, yan na ba yung final answer? Yes, that is your final answer. Kasi kung y ito, to the 5 power, so as is, ima-minus mo yan. But, wala naman siyang y, yun pa rin yung gagawin mo. Same procedure. So, that is your final answer.